Feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
To create rich hot chocolate using half and half, start by heating 1 cup of half and half in a saucepan over medium heat until it begins to steam. Careful not to let it boil. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of quality cocoa powder and 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar. Adjust to taste until completely dissolved. For extra richness, add a small piece of chocolate bar and stir until melted. For a decadent twist, a drop of vanilla extract adds depth. Serve hot with your favorite toppings, such as whipped cream or marshmallows, for a creamy, luxurious treat.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.